Okay, let's use the addition method to do this example. We have negative 2x plus 3y equals 10 and 3x plus 4y equals 2. We want to get the variables on the top equation and the bottom equation to line up exactly, except we want them to be negatives of each other. We can choose either the x's or the y's here to eliminate. I think I'm going to go with the x's because we already have this negative here. Though, feel free to do the y's. It's up to you. Let's see. Well, they're not close right now. We have a 2 and a 3. So it looks like we're going to have to multiply both the top and the bottom. But note that if we had a negative 6 right here and a 6 in front of the x, then they would drop out when we added them together. They would be eliminated. So let's shoot for getting 6's. Okay, so we have negative 2. Alright, so let's multiply the entire equation by 3. Here, let's multiply the entire equation by 2. And when I say that, I'm really multiplying both sides of the equation. Right? This isn't really perfect notation, being a little sloppy here, but it gets the point across. Okay, let's do it. That gives, multiplying everything by 3, negative 6x plus 9y equals 30. And down here, multiplying everything by 2, we have 6x plus 8y equals 4. And look, we have a new system of equations, and now we have 6x, and below it, so we have negative 6x, and below that we have 6x. So now we add them together. It's called the addition method after all. Add them together, what do we get? The 6x's drop out. 17y equals 34. Now we can easily solve for y by dividing both sides by 17. Y equals 2. 1 down. Right? But never just leave your answer like this. You always have to plug back in to get the other variable. Plug back into the original. You get to pick whichever one you want. Usually you go with whichever one looks a little easier. Maybe I'll choose the bottom one because that doesn't have the negative in it. Again, it's arbitrary at this point. So plugging in there, we have 3 times x, we don't know what x is, plus 4 times 2, y is 2, equals 2. 3x plus 8 equals 2. Subtracting the 8 from both sides gives us 3x equals negative 6, and divide both sides by 3 to get x equals negative 2. There we go. So our answer is then, make sure you write the x first, right? Negative 2, 2. So this is our x, this is our y when you convert this into the ordered pair. Negative 2, 2.